All right, so y'all, this is a homework problem. This is actually number 5 out of 3.4. Not sure why none of the information came up, but this is number 5 from 3.4. And it says, find a polynomial of least possible degree having the graph shown. Okay, so a couple of things we know. We have 3 x-intercepts. So we have 3 x-intercepts. The smallest degree it could be would be an x to the third, okay? So look, I'm going to write out my x-intercepts. Oh, come on, I'm trying to get my pen to work here, y'all. Sorry about that. Let's try this again. X, there we go. Intercepts. Okay, so we have 3 of them. One of them is x is equal to -4. Let me clean up this mess so I can see all of them. The other one is x is equal to 5, and the third one is x is equal to 6. So this is my step 1. I'm going to write out my x-intercepts. My step 2 is I'm going to write out what we call our factors, okay? And so the way I write my factors, y'all, is I'm going to move the -4, the 5, and the 6 back on the other side where the equal sign is, okay, or where my x is. So I'm going to cross the equal sign. So my factors now, y'all notice, it's going to be x plus 4, because my signs are going to change, x minus 5, oh no, my pen is really messing up here, and x minus 6. Okay, so those are my factors. Let's see if I can fix this a little bit. There we go. So x plus 4, x minus 5, x minus 6. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to write out my polynomial. It's going to look like this. F of x equals a, and I'm going to put my 3 factors, which were x plus 4, x minus 5, x minus 6. So x plus 4, x minus 5, and x minus 6. Okay? Now, there's another piece of information that we knew just by looking at the graph, and it's this right here. We have that point 0, 60. So remember what this means. This means that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 60. Okay? So when I look at this thing right here, what I'm going to do is everywhere I have an f of x, because f of x is the same thing as y, I'm going to put a 60. And everywhere I have the letter x, I'm going to put a 0. And 0 minus 6. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got 60 equals a, so 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 minus 5 is a -5. 0 minus 6 is a -6. So this is 60 equals a times 4. Let's see. What do we have here? We have -5 times -6. That's going to give me a positive 30. This is a 4 here. So now I have 60 equals 4 times 30 is 120 with an a. So if I'm trying to solve for a, we can divide both sides by 120, and those will cancel, and 60 divided by 120 is the same thing as 1/2. So now all that I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to come back to this part right here, and instead of me writing the letter a, I'm going to replace it with 1/2. So we have f of x equals 1/2 x plus 4, x minus 5, and x minus 6. And so here is